Hello friends, this is Venkatesh. Welcome back to my channel. So today is the quick unboxing and overview of OPPO Enco M31 neckband earphone, Bluetooth earphone. This has LDAC high-res audio wireless. So hope this audio product will be good. Let me open this and show you the other details and the physical overview of this earphone. Before opening the box, I'll just show you the specs and the details which they are given in this. Hope it is visible. So LDAC ultra clear audio transmission and certified high-res audio, 9.2 mm titanium speakers. They use titanium speakers. Also they have mentioned noise cancellation is there during calls and smart magnet power control. It's a 22 gram lightweight and 8-hour LDAC audio playtime. Boss mode IPX5 water resistant and 12 hours normal audio time. So that too only if you are using the earphone with 50% of volume. So here they have mentioned the price is 2,999, that is 2,999, but I bought this for 1,999 from Amazon. So it's a Bluetooth 5 and wireless range is 10 meters and all they have mentioned. So this I bought it for as a green color. So I am going to open and I will show you the overview. Okay, let me open the box and I will show you the box content. So here is the earphone. This color looks really good. This is exactly same green as this OPPO Reno 10X, which I am going to show you in some time for pairing and all. So and this golden accent looks really good. Yeah, this is the close look. I think it's not focusing properly. It's okay, that's my issue. So here there is a USB Type-C port and here there are 3 controls. One is multifunction button, volume down, volume up button. In this side nothing is there. So here is the earphone and it is magnetic attachment is there. I hope there is a play pause functionality with this magnet. So let's check the what is there in the box. I don't know, this is something. So here is the quick guide. So I don't think no one will read this. Yeah, these are just some paperworks. I will keep this aside. This is the warranty card. I hope this will have charging cable. I thought there will be a white color cable, but here they have given black color. That's okay. There are some ear tips here. That's it, nothing more in this. I will try to attach the audio output from this earphone. Before that I will show you how to pair this into the phone. So now I am going to show you how to pair this. If you just unplug this one, see there is an indicator. So see, once we open it, it's automatically detected the OPPO Enco M31. So this is a OPPO phone, so it is getting detected. I am not sure how this will, I'm not sure this will show up in some other mobile phones like other brands. So I'm just clicking connect. Yeah, there is 30% by default, so it's showing some quick guide and all. Here it is showing some options. Here it's showing the percentage, battery percentage. If I click, see, there is LDAC audio support and contact sharing, media audio, phone audio, everything is there. There are some more options. There is something called headset function. Here there is something called quick guide, how this will on off, everything is there, they have mentioned. And the functions, volume up, volume down, play, pause, attend the call, everything. So it seems there is a they will push the firmware update. The firmware update version is 1.0.9. so this is all about the connection process. I will show you some audio sample with this. Yeah, let me play some audio in this Bluetooth earphone. Actually, I am just playing the music from YouTube only, the free copyright music from audio library. So I am just going to play this. I'm not sure how much clear it will be in this, so let me try my level best. I am playing this in full audio, so I think it should be audible. That's all about this unboxing and basic overview of this earphone. Thank you guys, thank you for watching my video. Please subscribe to my channel and please like, comment, share my video. So thanks for all your supports. Thank you very much guys. I'll see you in the next video. Take care, bye.